last year, challenged myself to make 12 patterns that are all made within one round. So you crochet a magic ring and then one round of crochet, and then that's the pattern. And last year I already uploaded tutorials for these 6 cute patterns, and now I will show how you can make this cute little mouse head. And all of these patterns I will still upload in the future, so if you like them, if you like the idea, just subscribe and I'll upload them in the future. So to make this mouse, we're going to start with a magic ring. And in this magic ring we're going to do chain 1 and then 4 double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we're going to make the first ear. So we do that by doing chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and in the first chain of the chain 3 we're going to do 4 half double crochet. So in the first one, we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4 double crochet and slip stitch. And this is the first ear. And now we're going to do the space between the ears, which is double crochet 2. So 1, 2. For the second ear we do chain 3 again. And in the first one, so this is the chain, and I choose to not crochet in this, but actually in this back loop that appeared here, because it keeps the ear a bit more flat. So I do 4 half double crochet in this one, just like with the previous ear. I think that was 3 and 4, and we will end with a slip stitch. And now we'll continue the head, which is double crochet 3. So 1, 2, 3. So now we have this weird looking thing, which will look better if we close the magic ring. So this is closed, and then I like to end with 1 slip stitch to the very first double crochet that we did. And then we have our cute little mouse. So to make it look better, you can kind of tug on it to make sure that the ears, that the hole in the ears don't look too big. And we end up with this cute little mouse, and I like to just put a little knot in the start and the end that I have, and then if I use this to attach to something, I can just use these ends to attach it, and otherwise you can kind of weave them in so they're not noticeable anymore. So that's the pattern for this tiny little mouse head. If you like these kind of patterns, I'm gonna upload more. I already have some upload, so I'm gonna put a little playlist here with all of these kind of patterns, and if you want to see the rest, just subscribe and then you'll know when they're uploaded.